Hello, today we've got an MT5. This will be the first multi-lock I've picked in 2 years. I love multi-locks. I've picked the full range. I've got an MT5 there, plus what I've picked the life out of. I'd rather trade it and get a fresh one or get a new one to get that on camera. I've picked this lock once. It puts up a good fight considering it's MT5, because some of these MT5s, if you get the tension bang on, they open up dead quick. This one, it does not. The only lock I haven't picked at the multi-lock range is the click, but that's for another video of that. So as you can see, it works. Get the key out and you can see why it's a tricky little pick. The key bit on that all flat. The number 5 is a little bit high, and then you've got the alpha spring. If that pops up when you pick them, sometimes you've got to reset again. So let's give it a shot. Use the sparrows to set the alpha spring, and I'll use this little Chinese one, so I use for finger pins. Quite a little good pick, but I need to get a new pick set because I haven't got a dimple pick set. So I'll give it a shot. See if we can get into this quick, or it's going to put up a fight. That's the alpha spring set. So let's get alright, 1, 2, 3, click on 4, nothing on 5, go through, click on 4, right, 1, click on 1, click on 2, right there. Start that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slight turn in the call. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Just test 1 feels like it is set. Try 2, nothing on 2. And try 3. Nothing on 5. I'm going to release the tension a bit, hopefully I don't lose my pins. Right. No, I'm not getting nothing now, like. I'm going to try a different pick. I'm going to try this one. Alright, I'm trying to get a grip at number 2, nothing on 2. Right, I wonder why I ain't getting no feedback. Oh, there we go, a bit of a turn on the cog again. Right. Right, 1, 2. I'm going to switch back to the other pick. Right, 1, 2, oh there we go, a nice full set. That's what we want. Right, let's try that one. Oh, deep full set. That's what we want, that's what we want. And there we go, it's open picked. Get in. That was a good one, that, like. I put up a little bit of a fight, like. Lock sport is my church. God is a lock sporter. Right, let's see if we can get this gutted, because these MT5s can be a right headache So good if you don't get them right. You can actually lock them up, and I've done it. I've done it before when I first started. So we can lock it up because we have a key. With that, take the back clip off. Take this clip off, and just pray that I don't lock this thing up. Right, let's get this in. So in there with there. First springs in there. Right, I need to get that on the alpha spring, which will be there. Is that the one? That is the one. So we need to turn it all the way around. So I need to turn it around like that. I just pray that I get this right. Like, I should stick a shim just there, like, just in case. Right, so the key pin should be there on hindsight. Right, now let's go for it. So I've turned the key pins on, just do it like this. And then we'll go up, that is the one, that is the one. As you can see there, there's all your goodness. There's a ball bearing, just drill protection. Come here. Right, I'll pull this key out, as you can see there. All the drill protection in it, and that a ball bearing on the side. And that's what it would have been like inside. It's got counter milling as well, so let's plot these out. This one. Right. Two. No, very really are precision picks. You really have to concentrate on them. Like, I'd say out of all the multi-locks, out of picking multi-locks over the years, I think the hardest multi-lock to pick is the classic with the standard drivers, because the feedback is much more harder to get on them ones. I really have struggled with a lot of them classics, like with just the standard drivers in. I would say them are the best ones. They put up a good fight if you really want to fight with a multi-lock. A pick and fight. Right, and that alpha spring is there. What's that? Oh, yeah. What the bloody hell is that? What's that come from, like? I've never seen that kind of thing before, like. Right, so, come here. Right, so, as you can see in the counter melon, so the camera picks it up, you can see it, see the counter melon in the core, like it go right up top. I've actually got a little light in there, so when I'm like put my locks back together and just push that in and it lights up. Right, the first one. It's got the inner key spools on, will catch if you don't get your tension right. Speed this up a bit. So the multi-lock click should be an interesting pick. I know a way of defeating it. They actually took the video down. It was on the German tool website. The German lock pickers then figured a way how to do it, and they took the video down. The pick and the click. So I don't think nobody on YouTube's picked the multi-lock click. All this is interactive, but it's got like a little mechanical thing that locks one of the driver pins. And when they're in the right chord, it hits the lock, it turns it, and and releases the inner pin. But we'll see if that method still works, because the multi-lock might have changed it. So that should be an interesting video when I get all the bits and pieces for it, like. Right, and that is it. That is your MT5 picked and gutted. I always have a spring. I have it jammed in the locks, or I've gone shooting across the room every time. Right, and that is it. That is a full kit and caboodle. Right, let's go. Let's go. Here we goes. Right, I'll just zoom that in a tad. I know it's been a bit of a long video, but these multi-locks can be long. Alright, there's all your goodness. Where's me pick what I used? As you can see, there's all your inner key spools, but your alpha spring, I don't know where that little silver little notch has come from. I've never seen that in a multi-lock before. Really haven't, so I haven't got a clue what that's all about. And there's all your key spools, and you've got your spool drivers with the inner spools, and there's your alpha spring there. But I'll actually show you one before I go. Might as well. I will show you one with the inner spool on it. As you can see there, see it? Focus. See it? The inner spool on it. Very sharp there, very tiny, and it catches on if you don't get your tension right. So there you go, MT5, the first multi-lock I've picked in 2 years. Enjoyed it. I hope you did too, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.